Okay, let's apply the theorem sa yung nalo nyo lang kaka-learn nyo lang. Sige, how to apply the theorem? Okay, to apply the theorem, you have to divide each term of the numerator and denominator by the variable of the highest power occurring either in numerator or denominator. Okay? So, what we're gonna do now is the limit as x approaches to positive infinity. Ano ang pinakamalaki na variable dyan? Pinakamalaki is the x only, so we'll divide it by x. Each term i-divide natin. So what will happen? 3x over x. That's 3 plus 1 over x. 4 over x divided by the x. That's 4 minus 1 over x. Alright? So ngayon, 3 plus applying the theorem, 1 over x. That is 0. 4 minus 1 over x. Another 0. So our answer is 3/4. Okay, another example, the limit of x squared over x plus 5 as x approaches to negative infinity. Again, we will divide each term of the numerator and the denominator by the variable of the highest power. What is the variable that has the highest power? Yung malaking exponent, x squared, tama? So, what will happen here? Mura na mag-8 plus x squared over x squared all over x squared plus 5 over x squared. Sulat ko muna to. X squared over x squared, that's 1. Tama? X over x squared, that's 1 over x plus 5 over x squared. Alright? So ngayon, ano ang mangyayari na ngayon? Di ba applying the theorem class, kahit negative infinity pa yan, as long as the exponent here is positive, 1 over x, what's the answer? 0 plus 0. 1 over 0, undefined, tama? Or, it's not undefined, but it's negative infinity. Balik tayo dito sa kuan niya. Alright? Negative infinity. Okay. Let's have third example. Sige, 1 plus, no, sorry. This is the third example. The limit of 4x minus 3 all over the square root of the quantity 3x squared minus 2. Question. Ano ang pinakamalaki na exponent sa numerator and denominator? X squared or x? Same. Bakit naka-square root kasi yan? So, ano ang i-divide ko, sir? So, mangyari ngayon, class, since naka-square root yan, 3x squared over x squared minus 2 over x squared. Sa taas, square root of x squared pa rin. Ang square root ng x squared kay x man. So, ang mangyari, 4x over x na lang. Same lang yan sila, ha? Kasi nasa loob kasi ng square root. Okay? So, what will happen? 4x over x, that's 4 minus 3 over x. All over 3x squared over 3x squared, that's 3 minus 2x squared. Okay, nakalimutan natin maglagay ng limit, class. X approaches to positive infinity. Solution na tayo, class. Okay, applying the theorem ngayon, 3 over x as x approaches to positive infinity, that is 0. 2 over x squared as x approaches to positive infinity. 0. The answer is 4 is square root of 3. Sa calculus class is I can accept this answer. Pero pag gusto nyo talagang i-simplify, di ba kay rationalize mo yan. So, 4 is square root of 3 over 3. I don't know if alam niyo pang rationalize. Ayoko na magturo. Okay, let us apply now the limits of infinity of polynomials. As we all know, pag approaches positive infinity, lahat ng answer positive infinity, tama? Pero approaches negative infinity, positive infinity ang answer pag even ang exponent, negative infinity naman pag add yung exponent. So let's evaluate this limit, quantity negative 6x to the 5th power plus 3x squared minus 2. Okay? So what we're going to do now, sulat ko muna ito class ha. What we're going to do now is, ilipat natin yung pinakamalaking exponent dyan. Saan? Sino ang pinakamalaking exponent dyan? Di ba x to the 5th power? Tama? So it becomes limit of x to the 5th. Okay? Times the limit of, as x approaches to positive infinity, kinuha ko yung pinakamalaki ha. After that, ano na lang ang naiwan class? Negative 6 plus okay, bakit ano nangyari dyan? Divide ng x to the 5th, x to the 5th, x to the 5th. Okay? Okay, the limit of x to the 5th, diretso na tayo. Ano ang limit ng x to the 5th as positive approaches to positive infinity? The answer is positive infinity multiplied by limit of a constant, negative 6, 3 over x cubed. Ano yung kanina? 0. Minus 2 over x to the 5th, 0. So, positive infinity multiplied by negative 6, the answer is negative infinity. Okay, another example. Evaluate the limit quantity negative 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2 as x approaches to negative infinity. Again ha, pag negative infinity, dalawa ang answer. Pag even ang exponent, positive. Pag add ng exponent, negative infinity ang answer. So what will happen now, kunin ko yung pinakamalaki na exponent. So the limit of x cubed as x approaches to negative infinity times the limit as x approaches to negative infinity. Divide x cubed ba yan? So negative 3 na lang. Divide x cubed. I-divide ko yan ng x, o kinuha ko yung x cube sa labas sa kaya naging 1 over x na yan. I-divide lang ng x cube. Tapos, what is the limit of x cube as x approaches to negative infinity? The answer is negative infinity because the exponent is odd. Basta negative. Times the limit of constant 1 over x, 0. 2 over x cubed, 0. Remember yung theorem kanina? So, negative infinity, negative 3 minus 0 times negative 3. That's the answer. That's positive infinity. Ba negative times negative positive? Remember yung rules of infinite limits.